PERI DOMINO, a lightweight panel formwork for building construction and civil engineering, for forming walls and foundations with or without a crane. With only 5 panel widths and heights up to 3 meters, it is suitable to meet all requirements found in day-to-day operations on the job site. In particular, the use of the lightweight aluminium panels facilitates easy handling, even without a crane. This is used when several panels are moved as one large single unit. Particularly helpful for this operation, the Domino lifting hook. It carries up to 500 kilograms.